Hi friends, welcome to my channel Crochet Bass. I hope you all my friends are well. I am also well. Today I will show you a beautiful flower baskets. These baskets are very beautiful and colorful flower, and this flower is made of wool thread and Croatian mat. I hope you see this video is very happy. In this video, you will see the different flower basket designs. Your appreciation and support and comments, it's very important for me. I'm very happy to read your comments. All my friends can benefit from this video of them. All those friends who are interested in Croatian work can choose colors and designs by watching this video. This video helped them a lot, and my friends who are doing Croatian business can also benefit from it. I'm trying to good videos for you.